I'm Charles Emmons. I'm with J-Tech, and I'm here today to show you the Pro Cut on-car brake lathe. This machine is used when you cannot remove the rotor or you want to perform this brake cutting on the car. All right, first step obviously is to plug the machine in. After that, with your rotor right here, you have to remove the caliper and the caliper holding bracket. Put those safely out of the way so they're not hitting the CV joint or anything. Car has to be in neutral for this machine to work. Once you get the area clear, you put on this adapter. The machine comes with different hubs, adapters for different vehicles. This is a Nissan Altima. It also comes with a standard kit of lug nuts. You're going to put on all the lug nuts, tighten them down, get the adapter on there solid. Then you, on the adapter plate is a little nib that sticks out, protrudes. It lines up with the hub in this machine. There's a little divot for the nib to go into and lock itself in place. After that, you square the machine up and you turn this knob here to lock a bolt into the adapter plate, locking the machine onto the car. After you do that, you come over here. As you can see, it's in the ready mode. What I'm going to do is cut the machine on. It'll have the word wait right here, and then when it says it's when the light turns green, I'm going to hit start button here, and then it's going to sync itself to the hub. It's going to go through its own checks to eliminate vibration and so it can perform a smooth cut. All right, once it does that is when the technician will come over here, and just as the off-car brake lathe, you're going to take these two cutter jaws right here with these two adjustments. You also have this little wheel right here. Moves it in and out. You're going to move the jaws to the center of the rim, center of the hub. You're going to take your dials here, and you're going to turn them to the right, and it'll contact the rotor. You do a scratch test on this as you would the other lathe, barely touching the rotor and trying to see how much in-play it has. Also, you got to make sure your rotor can be turned. It's within specifications of run out and thickness. That's going to be found in your automotive service manual. But after you find out the rotor can be turned, you come to your scratch test in the middle of the rotor, very light scratch. Once you do your scratch test, you're going to leave it in the scratch mode, and you're going to run it in all the way to the beginning of your rotor, inside rotor disc, just as you would the other lathe. You run it in, and just as with the other one, you're going to have your dials here. You're going to have to pull them out to put them in a neutral, and you can zero out. You see the zero right here. You can zero it out, put it on the line. There's a line right here, and then you're going to turn this to indicate how much material you want to take off, and you take off the same amount on both sides. After you got your blades set, you lock them with this yellow handle. You turn this knob and it'll pop in, and then it'll start the cut automatically. Now I'm going to demonstrate how it, I'm going to cut the machine on and demonstrate how it automatically calibrates itself to the rotor. I can see the machine is on. The ready light is lit. All right. Usually it has wait and then it'll go ready. but the machine's ready. Hit the start, and as you see, the red light adjusting comes on, and we already did this before, and it says ready to cut and optimum. So with a green light, this machine is balanced perfectly with the rotor, in line with the rotor to perform your cut. And that's how you ensure that you're going to get a straight cut with this machine. Once the machine has finished the cut, your jaws will, like I say, rotate all the way out. You're going to pull your knob and stop it. You can kill the machine also. And then you will just turn this knob to disconnect from your adapter plate. Then you can loosen lug nuts and remove your adapter plate, and you will be done finish cutting the rotor. If that's cut is satisfactory, you can also follow it up with sandpaper to give it a little more aggressive edge. All right, thank you.